Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to install WordPress in cPanel. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here with wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where we need to first go ahead and log into our account. So in the upper right corner, go ahead and get started with logging into your account, after you have successfully logged in this home page right here at the left side screen, you'll be able to find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started installing it in cPanel. This is what we have to do. So first you want to open up cPanel.net, the official website of cPanel, where you can get started with logging in and buying it for yourself. So after you have opened up cPanel, got in for yourself, it's going to appear like this option right here. This is how the preview is going to look, where you can take a look at your general information and you can get started with the file manager and so on. So basically guys, you are going to get started from here in the file manager and the connections tab. You can get started with importing your website from WordPress. So you can get started with either importing your databases, or in the file manager you can get started with uploading your website. So you want to save your WordPress website in a zip file that you can go ahead and upload to cPanel yourself, either using the web disk, file manager, and so on, or you can just upload the database that you are using right here into cPanel and get started with accessing it. But it's going to go ahead and start like that. So you can go ahead and get started with uploading and testing it out for yourself, exploring for yourself, seeing how it works and getting started. This is just the intro. So go ahead and check it out for yourself how it works. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.